multi-exclusive dimensional being called with another exclusive. Today's video is going to be about angelic number 333. So you got to understand and understand one thing. When we're talking about angelic numbers, these numbers are very powerful. These numbers are basically an energy source that you can basically harness. And that's the whole purpose of harnessing energy. You have to have one, the fire, which is the element, is basically dealing with passion and willpower and motivation, self-expression. You got to have water. You got to have feelings and emotions. You got to add that intent behind it. You got to go deep with it. Then you got to have air, which is taking the communication. Then, boom, you got to do this with earth, practicality. So once you utilize the four elements and basically combine these four all together and utilize them into your best interest, you can manifest anything, especially with the number 333, because numbers go deep. Even look at how the government pretty much utilized 9/11 as a powerful number. Or for instance, look at how they use 666 as a powerful number. But they got people psyched up into ways where they were so scared and afraid of this shit, they would be like, oh, that's a devil. Whole time devil, which demon or fucking devil, you could just basically say demon. Demon represents day and moon. So when you got the day, you got the sun. And when you got the moon, you got basically the feelings and emotions, your mother. So that's demon, that's demon or day, basically. So everybody got that representation. Now you can go to the extremes, the highs or the lows. High is basically angelic. Low is basically demonic. So now when we get back to motherfucking 333, when you utilizing the numbers 333, you got to have intent, will, passion. So 3 or rip is dealing with your surroundings. So now that you know what that means, that's also dealing with the external preference as far as where you at, your locations, and who you're dealing with, your environment, basically your siblings or those kind of natures. So remember, now when you add another 3, this is basically someone else, surroundings and locations. So boom. With that being said, then you add another 3, that's somebody else's surroundings location. And then when you add 3 plus 3 plus 3, that's 9. So 9 is also dealing with completion of something. You can also tie this down to expansion, growth, and higher philosophical points of view as far as learning, intellect, interpretations, and of course, receiving. Now listen, you're going to receive abundance, and you can basically put this in practicality. So the number, every time you see the number 333, you know, today, for instance, is basically October 25th. So basically, October is already representing January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. That's 10. Today is the 25th. That's 35. 2020, that's 40. So now 40 plus 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. Then basically 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So boom, 2. And then you add that plus, that's going to basically be dealing with the spectrum of how you present it. I could be wrong, I could be right as far as the date. But today, I know for sure, today is the number 3. So when you play and utilize the number 3, this is basically dealing with that perspective as far as how you're going to utilize it to basically put this to the best of your ability. So you're dealing with your surroundings, and you're dealing with the expansion and growth and basically fortune. So when you utilize these numbers, make sure you get a pen and paper, write this shit down on paper. Then boom, what you can do, utilize your crystals or get a motherfucking magic wand, point it at the motherfucking time when you're doing it, and basically harness all of the energy. So whoever or whatever that basically was paying attention to that shit is basically into your space of location as far as gratification. Now, when you do this and keep doing this and keep processing this and utilizing the numbers for the best of your abilities, things going to start playing out to your spectrum. Things going to be arriving at your front door. But you got to have belief, though. You got to make sure you add in this shit and doing these things daily. So it's all about consistency. Consistency is key. Consistency is what's basically going to make you who you become, especially as far as who you evolve and basically into those spectrums. So it's all about your spirituality. It's all about your creation. It's all about your motherfucking belief. And the better you can utilize these motherfucking things, the better you can basically evolve in this world. And of course, if you ain't using your power, somebody else going to come use their power for you and basically take it and do whatever the fuck they want to do with it. So basically, watch who the fuck you give your power to. Believe in yourself. Nobody fucking coming to save you but your motherfucking self. Don't forget that shit.